Let's hear you count.
7,
Noah.
8,
9.
Is it a nickel?
Yeah.
No. Does anybody know what a quarter is?
Quarter.
It is a quarter. So when you get your soap in your hands, you want to put at least this much soap, okay? All right. Then, you know what we have to do next? We have to scrub, 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 okay? And we want to point our fingers down. You know why? Where do we want the germs to go? Down the sink, right? So we're going to wash, 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 wash. And your hands are really clean, really clean. Wow. Want to grow? Do you all want to get taller? And you all want to get smarter? So you have to eat good stuff. Is candy good to eat all the time? How about pop? No. You know what's really good? Fruits and vegetables. I brought some of them in my picnic basket. I want to see if you know what they are. Are you ready? This is a good vegetable. This is actually one of my favorites. And this is good to eat. Hang on, it's stuck though. What's this?
Pea.
What's this?
Me right there, bye.
Starts with a C.
A pickle.
Almost. A big one. What is it?
A pickle.
A
A cucumber.
cucumber. Brush your teeth every day, right? And don't forget. Just like this. Do you brush in the morning? And do you brush at night? Good job.
Oh, no.
Oh, Mr. Teddy Bear. Thank you for coming. Look who's here. Come on in. Come on in and say hi.
Guys, you might need to move some Mr. Teddy Bear.
And oops, Naomi. Oops, upside down there. Ready? And Veronica. You want to hug the bear? Naomi, you want to hug him? Oh, you can do that. You sure can.